Good morning, this is James here at Dakota Storage Buildings. What we have in front of us here is an 8x10 with vinyl siding. What I want to showcase is the vinyl siding today. Here's what the vinyl siding looks like. This is a Dutch lap profile. Here's the corner, matches the siding. So as you can see here on this siding, here's what the fascia and the soffits look like. The fascia is an aluminum trim coil. The siding is totally maintenance free. There's the only thing exposed a little bit is the pressure treated wood at the bottom, but everything else is covered. We've got flashing around the door. So as you can see here, this is aluminum flashing. We've got J-channel all done, installed nicely and professionally. So I just want to showcase the vinyl siding here. And now I want to go over there. We've got 3 buildings sitting here with the steel siding on there. That is also an option. So steel, we can kind of pick and choose which color. It really doesn't affect the price much. So this one here is green roof, white corners, red. This is red with charcoal. And again, in this building, the thing here are some of the things I want to showcase. Closure at the bottom, a starter strip at the bottom. We put, I don't know if you can see up here, but there's closure strips. So the whole thing is totally enclosed. Very professionally done. Here you can see this one. And then on our wrench styles, we have the overhang. The overhangs are totally covered in fascia and soffit, all metal, all maintenance free. Here's what the wainscoting looks like. And here's a pre-hung door, but that's another video. One of the things I want to point out, this is a maintenance free jamb. The forever frame is what they call it. And here's how it would look installed. Underneath here, how we do it. We can put some shutters on, but that's what the steel siding would look like. Give you a pretty good picture of what it looks like. So totally free maintenance siding. Should look good for the next 50 years. And over there's the vinyl siding. If you have any questions, call the team at Dakota Storage Buildings, 888-832-6889.